Four men and two boys were waiting outside of Operation Theatre. All of them were roaming in the corridor with worried face. They got some minor injuries too. Jimin hugged Hobie tightly. Hobie Hanky, why aren't the doctors coming out? Hobie hugged him back by stroking his hairs. They are doing surgery now. Jimin, they are doing surgery since long time. It's going to be 3 hours. He is so small, young. Will he survive? What if he die? Cut off my heart slap. Jin, shut up, just shut up. Don't you dare to say a single word. He will definitely survive. He has to survive. He is here. Just because of me, I can't let anything to happen him. That bomb was fitted for me. That poor little soul who doesn't even know us is struggling for his life. It's all happened just because of me. I'm the main culprit. Yoongi pulled Jin in his arms. Yang, control yourself. It's not your mistake. Nothing has happened because of you. You aren't the culprit. Stop blaming yourself for the mistake you haven't done. Hobie was so who was standing there while holding back his big fat tears. He was so scared and shivering like a dry leaf because of fear. Hobie immediately pulled him in his arms. T quickly wrapped his arms around Hobie's neck and tried to get his warmth. T, querying voice, Hobie hungry? Hobie, shh, don't speak. See, I'm here with you. There is no need to worry. Hank is worried, huh? That's why he slapped you, said while stroking his back. Jimin back hugged him. Yes, Hobie Hank is right. Jinny Hank is worried. Otherwise, he never slapped you. Now don't be scared. Kissed on his back. We all are here and love you a lot. Hobie and Jimin were consoling scared T. Just then a nurse came out from Operation Theatre. Yunjin rushed to her and asked, Jin, how's he now? Is he alright? Yoongi, why are taking you so much time? Is everything alright? Nurse, sorry, I can't tell you anything now. Because of blast, he lost his lots of blood. We need more blood. Yoongi, June is donating blood. Nurse, I know that, but we need one more unit. Jin, then take mine. I'm O positive. Nurse saw his bandage. Sorry, I can't take your blood. Yoongi, then take mine. I'm also O positive. Nurse, sorry, I can't take your blood as well as because you both are injured. We need any healthy person's blood who doesn't has any injury. Jimin went to her. Then take mine. I don't have any injury and I'm A positive, same as Junhyang. Nurse looked at him. Yours? What's your age? Jimin, we? Nurse, because you are looking very young. Jimin, I'm 16 years old. Nurse, you are underage. I can't take your blood. T, sorry, I can't donate blood. I'm AB positive. Hobie ruffles T's hairs. You are also 16. You can't donate blood. Nurse, then please arrange A positive blood from somewhere. Hobie, I'm A positive and I don't have any injury. I will give him my blood. Everyone looked at him with widened eyes. What? Yoongi, aren't you scared from needle? You never took any needle before. Hobie, I can understand your concern, Yang, but here is saving that little soul's life who saved our life. At least I can give him my blood. Nurse, come with me fast. Left. Hobie, okay. Left. Jimin hugged T. Hobie Hang will come back soon. They all were waiting for doctors. Suddenly, June came there while buttoning her sleeves button. June is there. Any news? Yoongi looked at June and slowly shook his head. No. June, where is Hobie Hang? Yoongi, doctors need more blood, so he went to donate. But why don't you know about this? You must be met with him. June, no, I was completing the formalities and talking with her advocate. But why didn't she tell me if she needs more blood? I donate more blood. Jimin, maybe you can't donate more blood at the same time. June, it can be. Looked at T, who was hugging Jimin tightly. T ruffles his hairs. Don't worry, he will be fine soon. There is no need to cry. Jimin, Jin Hang slapped him, that's why he is crying. June, but why? Jimin, he was cut off. T, come here. T grabbed Jimin's arm tightly and slowly shook his head. Can't you listen at once? June, T, go to him. He won't do anything to you. T went to Jin with baby steps. Jin pulled his hand and made him sit beside him on chair. I'm sorry, T. I didn't want to slap you, but you were saying nonsense. For stopping you, I slapped you, said by rubbing his slapped cheek. T hugged him tightly. I'm sorry, Hank. He will be fine soon. We will take him to our home and take care of him. Jin, we will take him to our home. Looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, I already told our men to arrange everything. They all were talking and waiting for doctors to come out from operation theatre. After an hour, doctor opened and everyone ran to doctors. Doctor, operation was successful. We will shift him to the ward in a short while. You can meet him then. No excuses left. They all entered inside the ward. When nurse called them, they saw there was an IV needle attached on his hand. Doctor was monitoring his condition and checking his reports while talking with him. Doctor, so young boy, how are you feeling now? Boy slowly looked at him. Pain. Doctor, don't worry. Very soon all the pain go away. See who came to meet you? Boy looked at them. Who? Doctor, you don't know them? Boy slowly shook his head. No. Doctor, what's your name? Boy, name? Started thinking, my name? Doctor, it's okay. Don't pressurize your brain. Rest well. Jin, Doctor, what happened to him? You said he's alright, then what's this? Why doesn't he remember anything? Doctor, calm down, Mr. Kim. I was also shocked to know this. That's why I did some other test and reports aren't good. Yoongi, reports aren't good means, is there any complication? Is he still in danger? Don't worry about money. If he needs any special medical help, then we will take him to abroad too. Just tell us exactly what's the problem with him. Doctor, there is problem but not this much to take him to abroad. Due to a head injury, he lost his memory. There are chances that he may or may not regain his memory, but there are high chances that he may not. Be able to regain his memory. He is only 3 years old, so it won't be matter because people often forget things at such a young age. He has a whole life ahead of him to make memories. I would suggest you that don't try to bring back his memories. Try to create memories instead of pressurizing him to remember his past. The more you try to force his mind, the more it will be harmful for him. And the other thing is that the injuries will take a lot of time to heal. You will have to pay a lot of attention to him, both mentally and physically. There is no need to talk anything worrying in front of him. Keep him happy as much as possible. Make him laugh. do everything what is necessary for the growth of him. Slowly he will be fine. Try to provide him peaceful environment. Nature therapy is the best. I already sent his file to pediatrician. You can meet with him for more suggestions and diet. Jin, thank you doctor. When will we take him to home? Doctor, if everything goes well, then you can take him home next week. Jin, thank you so much doctor. Time skipped after a week. Yoongi brought a house near the forest. Along with house, he brought whole forest area. It was so beautiful and peaceful place, just like doctor said, nature. Therapy is the best therapy. They all brought all the essential things. In this house, everything was available. Yoongi, Jin, June, and Hobie are secret mafias. Their rivals placed time in their car to kill them, but on the way they met with little boy and involved in the discussion. Because of that, their life saved, but little boy injured badly because he was near the car. His parents died. He was living with his uncle and aunt who took his all the properties and treated him like a trash. They won't give him anything. When they knew about this accident, instead of worrying about his life, they were worrying for money. They didn't want to spend any penny on his treatment. When Hanks found out this, they offered them to adopt a little kid, and in return they gave him money too. In this 1 week, they officially adopted him and gave him a name, Kim Jong-kook. They didn't want to change his nickname as it must be given by his parents, so they called him by Cookie. At the beginning, he was silent and got scared from a little voice too, but now he knows everyone, so he doesn't scare from them, but is still not that friendly with them. He is trying to process everything. Youngs are also learning how to handle this much small child. T and Jimin are high school students. Yoongi already took the revenge of his rival of the accident. Hobie, Cookie, come outside. We raised at our home. You were asking, na? Cook slowly gave him his hand and he stepped down from the car. Looked at him with big two eyes. Jin, home. Did you like it? Cook looked at the house. Cookie's house? Yoongi placed his hand on his shoulder. This is Cookie's house. Did you like it? Cook slowly nodded his head. It's so big. Tea, Cookie, come, let's go inside. We brought so many new things for you. Cook looked at him. What tea? Left Hobie's hand and held Tea's hand. Cook was going to inside. Just then a group of butterflies started roaming around him. These butterflies are his parents' messengers who came to give him their blessings. Cookie was happily adoring them, but Hobie screamed loudly and ran inside. Hobie screamed, "Ah, I hate bugs!" Ran inside. Cook started laughing. Hobie ran inside the house while screaming. He is scared from the bugs. Cookie started laughing his lungs out to see him. Everyone smiled to his prettiest smile. A butterfly sits on his shoulder. Cook, Hobie is so scared. Jimin, Hobie Hangi is scared from bugs. Now let's go inside. Tea, but before that we have to fly this butterfly. We can't take him inside the house. Tea flew the butterfly and came inside while holding Cookie's hand. Hobie was sitting on the floor while behind the couch while holding a cushion over his head. June picked the cushion from the floor. Hobie hung, you are safe. Butterflies can't come inside. You can come out from the couch. Hobie from behind the couch. I don't have trust on Tea. He must be brought butterflies by hiding them in his pockets. Tea, there is no value of kindness. First do good deeds and then listen the words of the above. Now you can't. For your kind information, I was the one who flew the butterfly, but now I am regretting over this. I shouldn't fly the butterfly. I should bring him inside. Wait, let me bring him now. Hobie screamed loudly. Oh ma! Ran somewhere. Cook again started laughing. Jimin hit on Tea's shoulder. Why are you teasing him? What if he hit himself anywhere? Tea, why did he blame me the things which I haven't done? How will I catch butterflies and bring them inside the house? Yoongi, your naughtiness hasn't started. First look at the house and settle your things. Tea was getting scoldings by Yoongi. Namjoon left to their rooms. Jimin was showing Cookie whole house. Time skipped in the evening. Yoongi and Hobie were discussing something related to their mafia world. June was teaching women, but none of them were in mood of study. Cookie was in kitchen with Jin. Tea shouts, we don't want to study. Can't you understand this at once? Jimin went on the floor. We are on holidays. We don't want to study anymore. Hobie threw his belt to June. They started talking a lot. I think it's a time to remind them their please. Their tongues are getting longer day by day. Jimin looked at the belt. Hey, Hobie Hangi, since when you became this much cruel? Beating innocent children is the crime. June took the belt and swept it on the floor. Beating innocent children is the crime, but I will beat the most naughtiest children who know nothing rather than troubling us. Jimin, I never trouble anyone. Tea looked at him with puppy-dog eyes. And I'm a good boy now. June, I'm going to ask question. If you fail to answer, then get ready to tease the belt. Women together, but we didn't learn anything. You didn't tell us to learn beforehand. June, shut up. You should have studied your course. Now go to the corner and kneel down there by raising your hands and learn the questions. Jimin, okay. Women went to the corner and started learning the questions. Jin came there by holding the snacks. Cookie was holding a small plate of strawberries. He was searching him for women with his big two eyes. Hobie, Cookie, come and sit with us. Cook slowly shook his head. Titi, Minnie. Jin sat on the couch. How's everything going? Yoongi, everything is under control, Hyang. Jin started talking with Yoongi, Hobie and June. Cookie saw women at the corner and ran to them. Cook, Minnie, Titi, Cookie brought snacks for you. Tea without looking at him. Cookie, how will we eat snacks? That ruthless man June punished us. Cook, don't worry, Titi, Minnie. Cookie will feed Titi, Minnie their snacks. Started feeding them. Jimin got an idea. Cookie, can you do my one work? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Jimin, see, Junhyang is holding a belt. Brought that belt and threw it outside. Cook looked at the belt, but we... Because soon he will beat us by Dad. Do you want us to say beating it by Dad? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie doesn't want. Jimin, that's why he's saying to help us. Cook Uti started walking. Cookie crawled to him, otherwise he will beat you too. Cook Uti started crawling. Cook crawled to June and scratched his ankle and hid under the center table. Yoongi saw him but didn't say anything. June was talking with Jin. He got busy in scratching, and Cook quickly took the belt and crawled back to outside of the house and threw it. Yoongi somehow controlled his laugh. When June didn't find the belt, he understood it must be women's plan. Time skipped at next day. Women planned to take revenge from Hobie because he cut their pocket money and forced him to give them only boiled vegetables. For that, they planned something. For Hobie, they taught Cookie everything and dressed him too. Youngs haven't ready yet. He was hiding in balcony and saw Hobie was about to press the doorbell. He signaled Jimin and Cookie hide himself behind the curtains. Hobie pressed the doorbell so many times, but they didn't open the door. He pissed out and opened the door by spare key while angrily bubbling. Cookie attacked on him and fell on the floor. Cook jumped on him. Ah! Hobie, Bug! I hate Bug! Fell on the floor. Cook sat on him. Butterfly will eat you. Ha! Flapped his wings. Hobie, I'm sorry. Please don't eat me. I will bring you anything. Leave me. Cook hugged him tightly. I won't leave you. Hee hee hee. Namjoon and Yoongi came inside and saw Hobie was rolling on the floor and Cookie was hugging him tightly and laughing his lungs out. Seeing him this much happy, everyone smiled. Children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes their impression. The best way to teach them anything is to do that thing first. They will copy you. It's your responsibility to teach them good things and values. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. You all chose Cookie stories, so here it is. Now don't forget to do comments. Sometimes forgetting past memories became the bone. Just like Cookie, he never got love in his past. He only suffered by his uncle and aunt. But with Mafia family, he lived his best life. His all the demands got fulfilled even before he tells to anyone. Sometimes our happiness hides behind a dark clouds of sorrow. When those dark clouds fades away, happiness like sunshine came in our life to cherish us. Agree? I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.